If the pH is between 0 and 2, the universal indicator solution will be red, and the pH will be very low due to there being many hydrogen ions in the solution. Examples of acids with low pHs between 0 and 2 are hydrochloric acids and sulfuric acids. A solution with a pH of between 3 and 4 will cause universal indicator solution to be orange, and there will be less hydrogen ions dissolved in solution. Vinegar containing ethanoic acids is an example of a substance with a pH of between 3 and 4. A pH of 5 to 6 will cause universal indicator solution to turn yellow, as there are the lowest amount of hydrogen ions in solution. Black coffee and rainwater are examples of solutions which have a pH of between 5 and 6. A pH of 7 will cause universal indicator solution to be green. Pure water, which has a molecular formula of H2O, will cause universal indicator to be green. A neutral solution will have no hydrogen ions or hydroxide ions in excess. They will have all reacted to form water. A pH of 8 to 9 will cause universal indicator solution to be lighter blue. A pH of 8 to 9 will have few hydroxide ions in solution, and an example of this pH would be baking soda. A pH of 10 to 11 causes universal indicator solution to be dark blue and will have more hydroxide ions in solution compared to a pH of 8 to 9. An example of a pH of 10 to 11 could be washing powder. A pH of 12 to 14 causes universal indicator solution to be purple, and this has many hydroxide ions in solution. An example of this pH would be oven cleaner.